Alright, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So, give me a hard time. They gave me a hard time. Make something difficult for you to do something. Yeah, it was a hard time. That gave me a hard time. Yeah, that homework gave me a hard time. Yeah, all that effort, all that time and energy. Too much difficult, too much stress. All that pressure gave me a hard time. Too much. They all gave me a hard time after the show. Yeah. It did not go as good as I wanted it, so they gave me a hard time because of my performance. Yeah. Yeah, because of what happened, they gave me a hard time. Yeah. Yeah. No good. No way. You all gave me a hard time as I went through that system. There was rules and regulations and bureaucracy. There were so many things between me and what I wanted. I had a hard time. It gave me a hard time, and I had to find a way around it all. Too much stress. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So it gave me a hard time. The rules. All the rules gave me a hard time. All the rules gave me a hard time, and I struggled to complete it all. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, gave me a hard time. Now, can you use gave me a hard time in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.